Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to become a financial planner. First, focus on your education. A bachelor's degree in finance, business, or a related field is a crucial starting point. Many professionals also pursue a master's degree to gain a competitive edge and deeper expertise. This foundational knowledge will prepare you for the complex world of financial planning, setting a strong base for your future career. Next, securing the right certifications is vital for credibility and expertise. The Certified Financial Planner, or CFP, designation is widely recognized and highly respected in the industry. To earn it, you must pass a comprehensive examination covering various financial planning topics. This certification demonstrates your commitment and proficiency, opening many doors for professional advancement and client trust. After your education and certifications, practical experience is indispensable. You will need to complete 6,000 hours of supervised professional experience, which often involves working directly with clients under the guidance of an experienced financial planner. This hands-on training allows you to apply your theoretical knowledge to real-world scenarios, developing crucial skills in client communication, financial analysis, and strategic planning. Finally, ensure you meet all licensing requirements to practice legally. This typically involves obtaining specific state licenses for investment advising and registering with regulatory bodies such as the Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC. Beyond initial licensing, continuous learning and professional development are key to staying current with industry trends and expanding your expertise, ensuring a long and successful career in financial planning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.